Garlic, red chilies, and white peppercorns are pounded together. This is then added to shallots and it makes the perfect base for ground chicken. Soya, fish sauce, and oyster sauce is added and the chicken is cooked. To make a lighter filling, mushrooms are added as well. The star of the show, in my opinion, are these delicious Thai basil leaves. This pad kaprow ground chicken is then just left aside to cool. Rice paper is briefly soaked. This is then placed on a board and stuffed with egg omelette, lettuce, the pad kaprow ground chicken, Thai basil, coriander, cucumber, some chili, and it's then rolled nice and tight. Let's start with the spice blend. In my mortar and pestle, I have 1 teaspoon of white peppercorns, 12 cloves of garlic that I've chopped up, and 6 to 7 red Thai chilies that I've chopped up as well. I'm going to start to crush these together with my pestle. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of coarse salt. This will help to break down the garlic and the chili. Once this is done, keep it aside. In a wok, add 1 cup of chopped shallots. Allow this to saute and then add in the garlic, chili, and peppercorn mixture. You will want to make sure that you have a lot of ventilation for when the chilies hit that oil. Add in 2 pounds of boneless chicken thigh. This was previously minced. Cook this together with the onion, chili, garlic, and peppercorns. To flavor this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. To make this filling lighter, and it's totally optional, I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of chopped mushrooms. Keep sauteing the chicken till it's almost cooked and then add in 1 cup of Thai basil. This will give the ground chicken the most amazing, strong, spicy, and slightly sweet flavor with hints of licorice, mint, and cloves. Continue cooking this till the chicken is cooked. Taste for salt, mine is perfect, but add more salt if you need. Now for the rice paper, the sheets that I'm using are 8 inches in diameter. Soak the sheet in room temperature water for just about 10 to 15 seconds. Remove this and place it on a wooden board. I prefer using a wooden board, but you can use any other board. Dab the excess water with a towel. Even if your rice paper looks stiff, it will soften in the moisture on the board while you add your fillings. I'm going to add the same ingredients different ways just for visual effect. For the first one, I will start with some red chilies for a pop of color. Add some romaine lettuce, and if it's too long, just tear the extra apart. Add 2 tablespoons of the pad kaprow ground chicken filling. Add a few Thai basil leaves, coriander leaves, a piece of cucumber, and a piece of omelette. Fold the top half of the rice paper over, fold the sides in, and roll it to seal tightly. For the next one, I will start with the omelette, lettuce, ground chicken, Thai basil, coriander, a little bit of chili, and roll it up. I'm going to continue to be making these with different variations. Be as creative as you like. The rice paper can tear quite easily, so be careful that the filling ingredients are not too bulky or not too sharp to tear the paper. For best results, these should be prepared an hour or so before serving and kept covered so they don't dry out. Leftovers can be stored overnight in the fridge, but be aware that they do tend to dry out overnight. Enjoy.